What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day. An update here on nat gas, gold, silver, crude oil. I'm also going to go through US cocoa today as well. Now, starting with analysis of natural gas. So what do we have right here? We have a price pushed lower. Even though we had a bullish report release right here, but that was not a significant difference. That is why I was not really paying attention to the report, as we were already looking at the bullish trades. But if there is no conditions, there is no entries. And I've already uploaded a video where I've shown you how to trade with technicals and fundamentals signals. The video is also linked in my playlist. Now, I've already given you a heads up right here in a morning, which is right here a bullish candle, which I've already mentioned that it is not a valid bullish engulfing pattern. As you can see, the screenshot I've sent that in my public Telegram channel. To follow me there, you have got my message. Now that could have pushed up here as well, but anyway, I wouldn't be entering this trade using my invalid pullback pattern. So I have my rules there, the way I take my pullback trades, and one of my rules was not met. If you are my student in MMTA full course, you know what rule is not met. But as I've already informed you guys here on my YouTube, who follow me on YouTube, I've already informed you that it was not a valid condition, and when there is a valid condition, I will also let you know that as well here on my channel. Now at this point, we had a deep pullback above 50 EMA. I've said that if you have a good pullback, that will be an even valid and good entry condition. Now after this good pullback, we have a red candle. Now all I want to see a next candle must be a bullish engulfing candle. If we have that, we are good to go long. If there is no bullish engulfer, wait and see few more red candles above 50 EMA followed by bullish engulfer. But let me give a heads up here again. If the next candle turns to be a bullish engulfing candle, that will be an absolutely valid condition if we have that. If not, I'll keep you guys informed accordingly as well. So before I continue, I also want to let you know that I'm going to start a Discord group for my priority members, all the members, so that we have a good community of traders where we can communicate with each other, where we can discuss the entries, where we can discuss the targets. And I'll be also contributing in the group so that if I'll be looking at a certain condition or a market which I'm interested in, I will be also sending that all the updates about the market and the news event, what's happening out there. I'm gonna send all that in the group. That's going to be different than my MMTA course student group. That's totally a different group. But if you are my student, you'll be added in that group automatically, as it will be free for you as well. So let's continue here with analysis. So next candle, bullish engulfer, will be a valid buy signal, and I'm going to go long. From here, I keep my stop loss possibly below 50 EMA, take profit 1-to-1 initially. Here on NEMEX, right here on futures market. At this point, that's not a valid bullish engulfer, and I'm going to upload a video how to identify a valid bullish engulfer tomorrow early morning. So keep an eye where you will get to learn all these valid patterns. Now at this point, if next candle turns to be a bullish engulfer, that will be an absolutely valid condition. If we have a next candle turns to be a bullish engulfing candle. If not, wait and see. If we have a bullish engulfer above 50 EMA, only one candle is allowed to go below 50 EMA. And if a next candle turns to be a bullish engulfer, that is also a valid. A very good example we have on silver, where one candle has gone down below 50 EMA, then we had a bearish condition, which I'm going to go through in a very short while. So next bullish candle will be a buy signal, and I'm going to go long using 1 ATR for my targets. Right here on Capital.com, exactly the same. Look for the bullish engulfer. Once we have that, we are good to go long. From here, no conditions, no entries. That is why very important to look for the condition. No taking sell trades as long as we are trading above 50 and 20 EMA. Again, if there is no condition, if we have a dramatic fall below 50 EMA, in that case, we'll have a change in trend. I'll start to look for my bearish trade. So wait and see how it goes. We are still in a nice uptrend. Once we have a good confirmation, which is my bullish engulfing pattern, in that case, I'm going to go long from there. Next up, we have silver. Now here on silver, we had a CPI release yesterday, and that is why we have no candle closed above 50 EMA. If you remember, I've mentioned yesterday that if we have one more candle above 50 EMA, only then I'll start to look for my pullback bullish entries. That is why very important to see a confirmation above 50 EMA. Let me show you what I've said. I want to see one more candle, a momentum above 50 EMA, then a pullback, and then a bullish engulfer. In that case, we're going to go long from here. So that's simple. I'm looking at just a bullish engulfer after a pullback. I want to see one more candle, pullback, bullish engulfers. Keep on taking longs. Awesome. So that's the condition, the rules, some rules which I follow. And if you are a student, you know all the rules to take your pullback entries. And as you can see, one candle closed above 50 EMA and the next candle closed back below as a bearish engulfer. That is a valid bearish pullback entry. So what to expect from here? Now we are still in a major level of trend continuation bullish area, which is 28.71, the lowest level. Once we are broken below this level, only then I'll start to look for my complete bearish trades. For now, I'm still looking for a valid bearish pullback entries, which is what? A pullback below 50 EMA, something exactly like this. If we have that bearish engulfer, I'm going to keep on taking shots until I see a condition, and my first target will be 1 ATR, exactly 1 ATR target. Once we have that, we are good to go short. I'm also going to make a video how to calculate ATRs by next week. So for now, just look for bearish trades, not taking buy trades as until and unless we are broken above 50 and 20 EMA. Now I'm going to give you one more condition. If we have a very strong entry like red and a bullish engulfing pattern within this zone, that will be my buy signal, as well as we are still in a buying area. But whichever entry I get first, I'm going to take my trade first. But the entry must be a valid bullish engulfing pattern within my area of value. Next one, we have gold. Gold is pushing lower. I'm now paying attention to my double bottom area. Now this 382 candle did not work out because we had a CPI, and when there is a big news event, the technical factors does not work. Now with the big CPI news event, as you can see, the big changes yesterday, that is why we had this big push down, and at this point I'm still waiting for the price to come down to this rejection box of a possible double bottom pattern, which is right here. So if the price hit my double bottom area, forms a bullish engulfer, that will be my valid buying entry, and I'm going to go long from here. Targets will be 1 ATR initially, and I will keep my stop loss below, go 1-to-1 for my initial targets. Wait and see must be a valid condition, which is my bullish engulfing pattern here in this rejection box, or a 382 candle here in my rejection box. Again, if you don't know what the 382 candle is, you'll get that video early tomorrow morning. So wait and see how it goes. Once we have the condition, we are good to go long, not taking any sell trade at this point, as we have no condition and this is not a valid bearish sell condition. Next one, we have crude oil. So still pushing up, and at this point I'm still waiting for the price to hit my termination zone to form a right shoulder, then a possible push up from here. So still wait and see. We are still above 50 and 20 EMA. We have no valid condition. Once we have broken above this high and with a pullback with a bullish engulfer, and I'm going to go long till this termination box. Once we are in this termination box that I want to see hit, then a pullback, then it will be a formation of my right shoulder as well. Not my right shoulder here in crude oil. So once we have that, I'm going to look for my entry conditions. Wait for the price to form a valid head and shoulder pattern. Once we have that, I'll keep you guys informed as well. For now, just look for the valid pullback entry. That will be once we are broken above this high with a pullback bullish engulfing pattern. Lastly, we have US cocoa. Now as you can see, we are pushing up nicely as mentioned in my live session as well, and the next live session will be hopefully on Tuesday, and I'm going to send all the members link for that tomorrow or over the weekend. So what to expect from here? As you can see, we have break above, pullback, bullish candle, not an engulfing candle but a bullish candle, a 382 candle, as well as you can see right here. If you are my student, you know one of the entries we have that a bullish entry we have here as well, and we are pushing up nicely, and I'm still expecting a price to push up from here till we are right here 11,275, that goes up to 11,741, from where we're going to look for the counter trend trade with bearish engulfers, double top entry condition. Wait and see how it goes. It is a minor level from where the price has previously pushed lower. That is why I'm still waiting for the price to get to this level, form some sort of condition for bearish condition, and I'm going to go long from here. Otherwise, as now we are above and trading over 50 and 20 EMA, nice gap between the EMAs shows a good and strong bullish pressure. We had a nice bullish engulfer right here above 50 EMA, nicely pushed the price high. So exactly the same condition I want to see, pull back above 50 EMA, bullish engulfer, and keep on taking trending trade, pullback trades until we are in the zone above in red. That's it for commodities, guys. Hope you're getting value. If yes, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. See you guys in the next video. Have an awesome weekend. Take care.